You didn't leave corporate just to recreate it in your business, but if we're being real, a lot of us did. We traded in team meetings for client calls, lunch breaks for launch calendars, and time freedom for being glued to our phones. I'm Latesha Lynch, and this is Revolutionary CEO, the podcast for women building solo businesses and lives we actually want to live. Because I don't believe you should have to sacrifice your health, joy, and peace to hit your next revenue goal. Here's what I know. Most of the marketing advice out there, it wasn't built for us. It was built by bro marketers or creators with big teams and zero boundaries. And it assumes you have unlimited energy, unlimited time, and no responsibilities outside of your business. And that's not our reality. We are raising families, navigating health, and showing up for our communities and building empires. So we need a different strategy. So on this podcast, I'm sharing the marketing systems and mindset shifts that actually work for solo women running the show. Not the hustle heavy stuff that burns you out. I'm talking sustainable content strategies that flex with your energy, lead generation that keeps flowing even when you need a break, messaging that reflects your values and attracts aligned clients, real stories from my business and my clients that show what's possible when you stop playing by rules that weren't made for you. And soon I'll be bringing on other powerful women entrepreneurs to share how they're building success their way with joy, ease, and legacy in mind. So if you're ready to stop marketing like someone you're not, and if you want results and a life you love, this is your space. This isn't hustle culture. This isn't survival mode. This is revolutionary leadership. And I'm so glad you're here. Let's get into it.